Good morning, everyone. Jill here. Today I'm doing a user request. Someone had asked me to show more of this inside of this journal that was made by Kate at the Journal Shed, and I had just taken it apart or opened it up when I realized that you guys were not. No, not you guys. Me. I didn't have my camera going. How silly is that? Anyhow, I want to show this in the best of light, so bear with me one second. Anyhow, back to the user request. She said, she saw the outside and everything, and that was from an earlier video, which I will link so you can go back and take a look at that if you like. And, but wanted to see more of the inside. So today, here we go. And you recall this beautiful journal. And so I'm going to show you some of the pages inside. So many texture pages, so many lovely pages. This is a texture paper with a thank you note from Kate. This is just a journal card. Now, this is an art journal, so you're not going to see a lot of finished pages. That's why it's an art journal. It's for you to finish. Beautiful embossed. Can you see the embossing on there? She had a little packet of embossed papers in the front there, so let me pull those out. Can you see this one? I'll try to hold them so you can see the pattern on them. That's a textured. Oh, look at this, how cute. Now this is, all of her papers are so lovely. This is, there you go. Isn't that something? Flowers. And this is a really heavy, this is a heavy cardstock. They're all torn edges on these pages here. So those are the, let me get this, excuse my reach. These are the embossed papers that come in a packet in the front, tied with that cute ribbon. And then inside, I'm just going to slowly flip through so you can see the pages. So I hope that you enjoy this. My viewer who requested this, I hope you enjoy this. Bella, this is a little ancient page. Look at that. Don't look at that. That was something I was working on. And the problem with the videoing is you're not going to see the texture of a lot of these pages, torn edges, you'll notice, but the texture on them is just so lovely. I wonder if I can zoom in or hold this up so you can see the textures a little better. Smooth textures, rough textures, handmade papers, etc. So the other half of each signature will be the other half of those pages that you just saw. Wrapped with beautiful leather. Beautiful leather. Let's take this paper clip off. Ledger page. Art journals are great. You can journal in them, you can art in them. A lot of the pages are watercolor paper. You can collage on them. Yeah, that's my fave. Beautiful piece. This paper is very, very smooth. There is no texture. I'm going to come up really close now to show you. There's no texture on that page. It's really smooth, and yet it has these beautiful torn edges. ledger page. If you want to see some other pictures, Kate at the Journal Shed does not have a YouTube video. She does have Instagram. And if you go out there, you can view some of her past and present journals that she's done. This is a lot of pages, but for my viewer, I will flip through them all. This looks like a linen. Actually, yeah, I think it's linen. It's a little bulky for me to hold and show you, so let me set it down a moment. Oops. There we go. She wraps it in, her packaging is beautiful with lavender. So out these pages you might see little bits of lavender fall out. Vellum, book page. Book page. Tea dyed. How could you not just touch this journal and be inspired to put something on the page? It takes a little bit of courage because I was afraid I would mess up a page. But that's what a journal's for. Writing your thoughts, putting in little things that you love. They don't have to be perfect. They're yours. Little attached book page. Let's see what this is. De Pompey. That's French. About page. Pompey. Very old. I'll put that little paper clip back on there. It's a little tiny paper clip. So cute. Okay, so I hope my viewer request, I hope this satisfies my viewer request. I really wanted to take her suggestion and do a better flip through, not just for her, but anybody who watched my other video, that they could see how beautiful these journals are, and suggest that you go out to Kate's Instagram and see her beautiful journals past. Like I said, this is A6, and she's so pretty. Let's see if I can open this journal page. Ledger page, I'm sorry. And then these are stitched into the spine, so you can have a little pocket there, whatever you like. Large journal page, double on the back. This is in English. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know. But that's a very old book page. It feels like rag paper. Lots and lots of space. This should last. Wow, if I did a page a day, it would last me more than a year, I think. Well, no, maybe not more than a year. This is English, very old English. She's done a nice mixture of script pages, old book pages, maps, and art pages, watercolor pages. I don't know how she selects her pages, but they go together so well. They blend and just look so nice together. Another page with a little card inside, blank on the back. She uses these cute paper clips, gold paper clips with a little bit of sari silk at the top. That's a nice inspiration for creating your own. Yeah. think I'm in the last, yeah, I'm in the last, no, I'm not in the last signature. So you can see she's got lots of signatures in here with lots of pages. But the time it takes to cut all these pages and hand tear these pages, or however she does them, a lot of time and effort and design goes into this, into these journals. They're ever so lovely. Very light stamping. I don't know. There you go. Very light stamping on that page. So different techniques to just add a touch to some of the pages. So this truly is your art journal. Truly is your inspiration for creating your pages. It truly is for you to create and or just write on and journal in. So this last section, this last signature, she has tied with a little binder clip and a little heart charm. This is a little bit of stitching, stitching she's done here. Can you see that? It's beautiful. Colors. And here is a little pocket with some cute things in here. A little tag, a little journaling card, a little stamp. Oh, I guess it's a postcard. Isn't that appropriate? Huh, little postcard. Can you see it? Oh, the back is beautiful. Or maybe that's the front of the postcard. Let's take a look. What is that? Oh, wait, that's not right. I'm going to put this back together after we're done, so let me set that aside. She's got these. A little tag. Isn't that appropriate with a little stamp since these are postcards? Oh. That's Paris. Saint-Chapelle. The Palace de la Justice. And this is a journaling card. Isn't that beautiful? And another. Oh, I'm not sure I'm on the right page now, am I? Nope. All right, give me a second. I'll put that back in later. If I repeat some of these pages, forgive me. I'm trying to do my best. I'm not the best video artist, videographer, what it takes to put on a YouTube videos, more than some people might imagine. Beautiful. She leaves strings inside. You could, these would be cute with some charms attached and let them dangle down. How pretty. I have this sitting on my desk, so I curl those up for now, but I may find I put charms on them and have them dangle from the top coming down. That would be cute. Of course, another half of that ledger page and the other half of that ledger page. Okay. And here to the back of this section is another packet of beautiful, oh my gosh, look at that. It says, Beauty awakes the soul to act. Beauty awakes the soul to act. Yes, yes, yes. That's a carte postale. Let's see what the picture is on the back of that one. Give me 1 second. Oh. Oh, isn't that pretty? It's all written. This is in English. Saying, "Aw, cannot come this week." Somebody can't come this week, so they will come maybe at a later date. Isn't that pretty? Look at that pretty. Look at that. Handwriting. Okay, and this is the last page with, and this actually is a little pocket. I'll show you that. She has sewn this pocket up here. So there you go. And then in the very back, she has one of these wonderful binder clips. Oh my. She has a beautiful, I don't know what you call that kind of clip. To tell you the truth, I'm not sure. But it's like a binder clip. Holding in this little packet of goodies. And in here she has little bits of ephemera. And in this part she has wonderful papers to use inside your journal. Look at these. So pretty. Some of these are torn, some of them are cut, hand torn, some are cut. Beautiful. So I will put that back together after we finish up this video. So that, my friend, I hope you will return to my channel. That, my friend, is Kate's Journal. And please go out to her Instagram account and be sure you take a look at her journals. I'll close this up. And, oh, where's my, I must have left it. Oh. Here it is. Here it is. I'm always losing something on my desk. Of course I am. Okay. Let's put this back on. Hello, little art journal. You're so cute. And she does this leather closure, elastic, fits over nicely. And then when you come to the front, you can just pull those, tighten them up, and put them down. And there's the beautiful A6 by Kate at the Journal Shed. Have a great day. Hope to see you again soon. Until next time.